there's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, let's meal prep. It's becoming a thing now, yes. So I started off with my salad. I've had this stew for a very long time, so I just yanked it out, sliced my cucumber, green pepper and carrots. So I just arranged them in the ceramic bowl. After that I mixed them up, then I placed them back in the ceramic bowl. Yes, I was just doing things. So now let's move on to my tomato stew. I was actually making a cabbage stew, so I sauteed my pan, added my onions, added my tomato, a little bit of tomato, then I added my seasonings. After that, when it was cooked, I added my cabbage. I did pour a little bit of water into it to make it cook very well. Then I stirred. When it was cooked, I just left it alone to cool down. Then I sauteed my pan again. I wanted to make this tomato stew. Actually, it's a vegetable stew, so I sauteed my pan once more, added my onions, then I added my tomato puree. This tomato puree is quite spongy, so I'll show you how to make it quite light when you're cooking. After that, I added my vegetables. That's it. Then this is everything done. I did make it for my brother. Now let's move on to my waakye. So I found out that eating a lot of brown rice helps to lose weight. This rice has a very light weight, not starchy. It doesn't clump together. It will never clump together because it's quite hard. So I started off by washing it, then I cooked it for a while. After cooking, I added my cooked beans. Then I saw this how to make waakye on a Twitter Ajile's channel, so I just boiled some water onto the red leaves. After that, I wasn't getting the consistency I wanted, so I just cooked it on fire. Then I got it to be red as that. After that, I went into my chicken. I really like grilling chicken nowadays, less frying, so I'll just put the ingredients on the screen so that you'd see. Any day, every day, air fryer grilling. After that, I check up on my waakye again. Then I wanted to make a shito to go with the waakye. This shito bent. I don't know how it bent to. Maybe the fire was too high, and this is my first time to actually mom makes our shito for us, so I checked on my waakye. That's all guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Oh, we are starting a vlogmas soon, so stay tuned.